How to add a weather forecast widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, go to a blank spot, then touch and hold. Next, tap on the edit button. Then from the pop-up, tap on add widget. Next, we scroll down and then tap on weather. Next, you can swipe across and choose a widget size. So here we have a small size, medium size, and a large size. So select a widget size, then tap on add widget, and this will get added to your home screen. Now you can tap on the widget itself and tap on location to change your location. So here, tap on it and you can search for your location. So say Sydney, and then tap outside the box to close that, then tap on done. And that is how you can add the weather widget forecast widget to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.